I'm Maddie with the Neil Jones Food Company. Recently, we've made our 2 highest quality, fully prepared pasta sauces even better. Removed high fructose corn syrup, added diced onions, extra virgin olive oil, sunflower oil, and really brought the natural sweetness from our California tomatoes to the forefront of these great tasting products. I want to tell you about each of these. Our first product is the San Benito Piata Doro. This product is loaded with flavor, texture, and sauteed onions prepared on the line. Carrot puree is also used as a natural sweetener to really make your palate pop. Factor in the basil, spices, olive oil, and just a touch of sunflower oil. And this is a sauce the finest chef would be happy to stake their reputation on. Our second item is the San Benito Fancy Marinara sauce. This product is slightly less sweet and more of a traditional style Italian marinara pasta sauce with more of a garlic, basil, oregano, olive oil forward flavor. Close your eyes when you taste either of these fine products, and you can almost hear Mama in the kitchen, aproned on and ladle in hand. If you're looking for a great heat and serve pasta sauce, your search need not extend past these 2 premium items. Both are kosher, GMO, and allergen-free. San Benito, canning the finest California fresh-packed products since 1915.